Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from Algebra Stanford Math Tournament 2013. 4x square plus 15x plus 17 over x square plus 4x plus 12 equal to 5x square plus 16x plus 18 over 2x square plus 5x plus 13 is given to us. Then it is said to find the sum of all real x. So let's get it started by writing our LHS first. So we will write 4x square plus 15x plus 17. And in denominator we have x square plus 4x plus 12 will be equal to. Now here we have 5x square. And in LHS we have 4x square. We have 16x. We have 15x. We have 18. We have 17. So can we write our numerator in terms of LHS numerator? So yes, we can. We will write first 4x square plus 15x plus 17. Then we need to write x square plus x plus 1. Similarly, in the denominator, here we have 2x square, here we have x square, 5x, 4x, 13, we have 12. So we'll be writing our denominator x square plus 4x plus 12 first. Then we have to write x square plus x plus 1 once again. Now let us say 4x square plus 15x plus 17. Suppose this is A. X square plus 4x plus 12. Suppose this is B. And we have x square plus x plus 1 also. So let us write x square plus x plus 1. Suppose this is C. So we can write here, this is A, this is C, this is our B, this is C. In LHS, this is our A, and here we have B. So we will write our equation A over B equal to A plus C over B plus C. Now we will cross multiply. Let me write here A over B equal to A plus C over B plus C. Now we will write A times B plus C will be equal to B times A plus C. Let's expand. We will get AB plus AC equal to BA. I am writing AB plus BC. Now we will subtract AB from both the sides. Minus AB, minus AB. So these two terms will get over. We will get AC equal to BC. Now we will take all the terms to LHS. AC minus BC equal to 0. Now we can take C common out. So in the bracket we will write A minus B equal to 0. Now C was x square plus x plus 1. So we will write here using product 0 rule either C equal to 0 or A minus B equal to 0. So if I will plug in the value of C, which is x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. and we will check our discriminant only. D equal to B square minus 4 times 8 times C, which will be equal to 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 1. Value will be equal to 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. Discriminant is negative. We are going to get complex solutions. So we will reject our equation C equal to 0. Now the turn of second equation, A minus B equal to 0. So I will write here A equal to B. Now A was our numerator here and B is denominator here. So we can write 4x square plus 15x plus 17 will be equal to B, which is denominator x square plus 4x plus 12. Now we'll take all the terms to LHS. We will write 4x square minus x square plus 15x minus 4x plus 17 minus 12 equal to 0. 4x square minus x square 3x square, 15x minus 4x 11x, 17 minus 12 plus 5 equal to 0. So we have one quadratic equation. Now we have to make sure whether we are getting real solution from this quadratic equation or not. So we need to check our discriminant once again. Equal to B square minus 4 times AC. As per our quadratic equation, A is coefficient of x square. We'll write here 3. B is coefficient of x. We need to write 11. And C is constant, which is 5 here. So I will write here equal to 11 square minus 4 times 3 times 5 will be equal to 121 minus 60. So D is coming out 61, which is positive number. Discriminant is positive. We are going to get real solutions. Now we have to find sum of all the real x. So we will use Vita's formula. 3x square plus 11x plus 5 equal to 0. So we'll write here sum of roots. Formula, this will be equal to minus of coefficient of x over leading coefficient. So we are going to write our answer here. Minus of coefficient of x is 11. Leading coefficient is 3. So I can write our final answer minus 11 over 3. Sum of real x. So my answer is minus 11 over 3. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.